In this tutorial, we will create a basic drum app as shown here. Our app will have two drums and a cymbal, and when you touch either the drums or the cymbal, a corresponding sound will play like this. So we will start with a new project. I'll call it Roy Basic Drums. The first thing that we will do is we will select this display invisible components, and then we will add a canvas to our screen. So once we have added the canvas, that will show up under the screen under our components. You will see that whenever you add something, that is automatically selected as shown by the greenish background of canvas. The next thing that we will do is we will change the width and the height of this canvas under the properties bar. So we will select fill parent for the width, and we will make the height 420 pixels. So that will make the canvas span the whole screen. After that, we will add 3 image sprites to the canvas. And once we have added the 3 image sprites, we will change their names and we will change their pictures. So we will select image sprite 1 and we will change its name to drum 1, and we will change its picture to picture of drum 1 that I have already downloaded, and I'll position it a little bit. So similarly, we are going to rename the other 2 image sprites and change their pictures as well. So now I have renamed the second image sprite as drum 2, and I have changed its picture, and similarly I have renamed the third image sprite, which is selected right now. That's why you see this green square around it. I've renamed that symbol and I have changed its picture to symbol. After this, we will add 3 sounds. So we will do that just by dragging this sound from under media to our canvas. So these will be the 3 sounds corresponding to these 3 graphic objects. We will rename the sounds as well and add sound files to them just like we did for the 3 graphic objects. So I'll rename sound 1 to sound drum 1, since it will be the sound corresponding to the first drum. And I'll go to this source and I will add the first drum sound as the source of that sound object. So now you will see at the bottom that this has changed its name to sound drum 1, and its source is showing the sound file that we have downloaded previously. So just like the first sound, I renamed the second sound to sound drum 2, and I selected its source to be the drum bus 2 sound file, and I renamed the third sound to sound cymbal, and I used the cymbal crash source file as the source of this cymbal sound. So this completes our visual layout of the app. Now we will use the block editor to finish the programming.